today we're going to install the battery on this 2017 Ford Fusion. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and pick up the battery and remove these battery covers for the terminals, and we're going to go ahead and slide in the battery just like so. We're going to pick up the ground terminal, that way we don't shove it in the corner. Come here, you. Alright, while we're fighting, I guess the positive doesn't reach, so let's go ahead and grab that sucker out. Come out, you. Slide the battery in. I'm gonna need both hands. Alright, once you have the battery in there, go ahead and plug in the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and we're gonna grab our battery clamp and we're gonna place it right into that hole right there. This goes this way. This one is a 5/16 to tighten. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. Alright, once that battery clamp is nice and secure, we're going to go ahead and tie down the positive side and the negative side. Does not matter which order you have it in. And then tighten the negative. Alright, and there it is. Just make sure everything's nice and tight. Alright, there it is. Everything is nice and tight, nice and secure. Battery's not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and put this cover back on. It was already off to begin with when we first did the video to remove it. But there it is. And that is how you install a battery on a 2017 Ford Fusion. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.